This Friday's handover is a little different. Right behind this tree, Sigma Homes have built a luxury double garage with an upstairs and design features you wouldn't see in a show house. This building sits perfectly into the landscape and two big garage doors, each door with one click of a button. They open perfectly up so you can drive your car in, or maybe it's overnight and you want to drive your car out. Each garage has been properly sized to fit your vehicle. Overhead, we've got natural LED lighting. And right here at the back, both garages have got their electric charger, so it's fully future-proofed. As these two big doors gently make their way to the ground, the one big question you might be asking, what's behind this door? From here, we really get to see the beauty within. I'm so proud. Chantel, our interior designer, Martin and Andrew, our craftsmen on site, carried out this wall paneling. It looks really well, doesn't it? This room is ideal if you wanted to have a home gym or even use it as a guest bedroom. Behind us, we've designed these units to fit perfectly in around these walls. This window captures all those sea views. Our heating, we've gone for a Daikin air conditioning unit. So in the summertime, it keeps this building nice and cool. But more importantly, in the winter, it keeps this building beautiful and warm. This bathroom is so inviting, and with that feature wall coming up the stairs being so beautiful, this bathroom had big competition, and it hasn't disappointed. Everything you've seen upstairs looks so beautiful, but you're probably wondering why this big double garage hasn't got more space. Don't worry, Sigma Homes, we never disappoint. This is what I'm talking about, an ideal home office where you get away from everything. We've got all these units, all our wiring, and right here we've another big bank of units. When it comes to having a home office and it comes to having views and getting away from it all, this is definitely 10 out of 10. Well done to Sigma Homes and everybody involved. That is the real dream garage.